Creating drop cap text in WordPress adds a stylish and professional touch to the beginning of your paragraphs, making your content stand out. A drop cap is a large initial letter that extends into the paragraph's first few lines. Here's how to create drop cap text in WordPress. Using the Gutenberg editor, edit your post or page. Go to your WordPress dashboard, then navigate to Posts, All Posts or Pages, All Pages. Select the post or page you want to edit. Add the paragraph block. In the Gutenberg editor, click to add a new paragraph block where you want the drop cap to appear. Select the first letter. Highlight the first letter of the paragraph where you want to apply the drop cap. Apply the drop cap style. In the block toolbar, click on the drop cap icon. This will automatically transform the first letter into a larger size, creating a drop cap effect. Publish or update. Once you're happy with the look, click Publish or Update to save your changes. Using custom CSS, go to Customizer. Navigate to Appearance, Customize, Additional CSS. Add custom CSS code. Paste the following CSS code. Save changes. Click Publish to apply the drop cap effect across your posts.